With the growing problem of forever chemicals threatening the health of you and your family, there's a strong need to invest in a water filtration system that gets rid of these harmful chemicals. Our experts have researched and reviewed the 6 most effective water filters for PFAS removal on the market. We'll explain the differences between each option to find the best solution to get healthier drinking water. As always, we'll include additional information and our exclusive direct discount prices in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting at number 6 with the best RO system is the AquaTru Countertop Reverse Osmosis System. There's a good reason why the AquaTru Countertop Reverse Osmosis System is considered the best water filter for PFAS removal, because it's the only countertop RO water purifier to be certified by the NSF to remove 82 water contaminants, including chlorine, lead, chromium-6, nitrates, and of course, PFAS. It boasts of a patented ultra-reverse osmosis technology that's used by all major bottled water brands. This means you'll have continuous access to clean, healthy drinking water without buying plastic bottled water all the time. This 4-stage filtration process offers a mechanical pre-filter for sediments and turbidity, an activated carbon pre-filter for removing 99% of chloramines and chlorine, which is a highly efficient reverse osmosis membrane for removing toxic contaminants like lead, and an activated coconut shell carbon VOC filter for removing toxic organic chemicals. The AquaTru Countertop Reverse Osmosis System also doesn't require any plumbing or installation. You just need to plug it in, and it'll start filtering your water. You'll also get an indicator light to know if you need to change your filters. Its pros are that it's certified by the NSF to remove 82 water contaminants, it has 4-stage ultra-reverse osmosis technology, and it's easy to set up with no installation required. The cons are that it is slightly more expensive than some filter alternatives, and the filter replacements can add up over time. Next, at number 5 is the best under-the-sink filter option, the Aquasana Claryum 3-stage water filter system. If you're looking for an undersink water filtration system, this will be a perfect investment because it has a 3-stage filtration process that removes up to 99% of dangerous contaminants in public water, including chloramine, cholesterol, benzene, herbicides, THM, and PFOS. It's also very efficient in removing heavy metals like mercury and lead, as well as asbestos and other particulates. What makes this water filter for PFAS great is its ability to keep healthy minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium in your water. The Aquasana Claryum 3-stage undersink water filter is tested and certified by NSF ANSI for standards 42, 53, and 401 to prove its filtration effectiveness. It also boasts of a 20-micron pre-filter that allows for more efficient filtration while ensuring that nothing is added to your water to preserve its original taste. This water filter is also very easy to install under your sink with all its parts and instructions included, and it even has a dedicated faucet for easy access to clean drinking water straight from your tap. The pros are that its highly effective 3-stage filtration is at an affordable price. It's compact and easy to install under the sink. It's tested and certified to NSF ANSI standards. Now, the cons are that it requires replacement filters every few months depending on your usage. At number 4 is the best refrigerator option, the Hydroviv Refrigerator Inline Water Filter. Hydroviv filters were born out of the water contamination issues in Detroit, so they're guaranteed to be up to the task. Custom tailored for your water based on your city's water quality data, the Hydroviv Refrigerator Inline Water Filter is your best option if you want a filtration system that works directly to your refrigerator water dispenser. For starters, this water filter is certified by the NSF ANSI for standards 42 and 53 because it can remove a wide range of contaminants in public water, including pesticides, VOCs, arsenic, lead, cyst, PFOA, PFOS, and PFAS. In fact, it's certified to remove more than 1,000 potential contaminants in your water. The Hydroviv Refrigerator Inline Water Filter is compact enough to save you a lot of space, and it comes with an installation kit, so you don't need the help of professionals. It can also filter up to 720 gallons of water to last for 6 months before you need to change filters, giving you amazing value for your money. The pros are that it's NSF ANSI certification for standards 42 and 53. It's a customized water filter according to your location, and it has a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's also very easy to install. The cons are that it does need to replace filters every 6 months. At number 3 is the best countertop option, the big Berkey Gravity Water Filter System. With the 2.25-gallon capacity, the big Berkey Countertop Gravity Water Filter System is a smart investment if you want a continuous supply of clean, filtered water for a family of 4 or more. This water filter for PFAS is designed to fit perfectly, even in a small kitchen, tiny house, or cabin, being just 8.5 inches wide and 21 inches tall. The big Berkey Countertop Gravity Water Filter System uses gravity to filter water and remove more than 100 contaminants, including heavy metals, aluminum, chlorine, VOCs, and of course, PFAS. It's also tested by the NSF for standards 42 and 53, and if you add PF2 post filters, it can also remove more than 97% of arsenic and fluorine in your water. The big Berkey Countertop Gravity Water Filter System doesn't require any electricity to work, so it's perfect for outdoor use or even in cases of emergencies, where it can keep up to 12 people hydrated. If all 4 filter slots are used, this water filter can achieve a maximum flow rate of up to 7 gallons per hour, but only when the upper chamber is filled to the brim. You just need to pour more water inside to increase the pressure that initiates the filtration process. The pros are that it doesn't require electricity to filter water. It's compact enough to fit small and off-the-grid spaces. It's tested by NSF for standards 42 and 53, and it's highly effective filtration from any water source. The cons are that it uses gravity, so it does take a little longer to filter the water, and the PF2 fluoride filter is an optional addition. At number 2 is the best pitcher option, the clearly filtered water filter pitcher. If you're renting, or living in a tiny home, or just working on a small budget, you can still enjoy access to clean drinking water that's free of forever chemicals with the clearly filtered water filter pitcher. Touted as the best water filter pitcher for PFAS, this pitcher boasts of an affinity filtration technology that can remove up to 99.9% of more than 365 harmful contaminants in tap water, including lead, fluoride, hormones, and PFAS. The clearly filtered water filter pitcher is also the only pitcher tested and certified by NSF for standards 42, 53, 244, 401, and 473. But aside from its state-of-the-art filtration capability, this water pitcher also keeps beneficial materials to keep your water healthy. It's also made with 100% BPA-free Triton materials to ensure that it doesn't leach any chemicals into your water after it's filtered. In terms of design, the clearly filtered water filter pitcher has a slim design to fit your fridge perfectly, but it can hold up to 80 ounces of water, so your family has enough water supply to last for the entire day. It also features an easy grip handle to make sure that even the little kids can pour water easily from the pitcher. The pros are that it removes 99.9% of more than 365 harmful contaminants in water, that it's tested and certified by NSF for standards 42, 53, 244, 401, and 473, and that it's made with 100% BPA-free medical-grade materials. Now, the cons are that the filters do need to be replaced every several months, but you can get a subscription and save. In the top spot is the best whole house options, the SpringWell CF Whole House Water Filter System. If you want to make sure that water coming out of every faucet in your house is filtered and clean, the SpringWell CF Whole House Water Filtration System is the perfect investment for you. Capable of removing up to 99.6% of harmful contaminants in city municipal water, this whole house water filter boasts a certified KDF media and high-quality catalytic carbon that targets water contaminants including chloramine, pesticides, PFOA, PFOS, and of course, PFAS. The SpringWell CF Whole House Water Filter System is considered by many to be the best water filter for PFAS because of its active flow filtration system with the proprietary 4-stage design to allow the longest contact time between the water and filtration media. With over 20 years of industry experience, SpringWell is known for using only certified components that guarantee clean and healthy drinking water for homes. The filtration system itself is easy to install and maintain, and you get a 6-month money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the product. SpringWell also offers a lifetime warranty on all its tanks and valves, so you get the most from your investment. The pros are its 4-stage filtration system. It ensures removal of up to 99.6% of contaminants. That it's manufactured in the USA using only certified components. It's a comprehensive whole house filtration solution. And it has a lifetime warranty on tanks and valves. The cons are that it's a larger investment than alternative point-of-use systems, and it may require professional installation if not DIY inclined. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive Freshnss discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.